In this video, I'm going to show you how to create database in Notion. Let's get started. After successfully logging in into your Notion account and being able to access the homepage, the first thing that you want to do is you want to go into the left-hand side of your navigation panel and head on over to your team spaces. Under that, make sure to go to a page. In here, if you want to add a database within the page itself, the thing that you could do is below, you will have an option to create a database. But what you could also do is if you select a blank space and then head over to type slash and then database, you will see the different types of databases that Notion offers for you. You will have an inline, a full page, table, board, gallery, as well as a calendar view, and each and every one of these are very unique on its own. Let's say I want to add a table view since that is the very common database. And within the table view, you will be greeted with two columns, one for name and one for add property. Add property just means that if you click on add property button, you will see the different types of properties that you could add within the column itself. Let's say you want to make the page a database, and to do that, you want to go to the left-hand side and under your workspace, make sure to click on Add New. Within here, you could actually click on Empty Database. If you do so, it will make the whole page itself as a empty database. And that's about it. That's how to create database in Notion. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.